My name is John from EruditeProg Academy. In this video we'll talk about Bitcoin. Yes, the digital currency. What is Bitcoin, and what is story behind? Let's start. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a form of electronic cash. It is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator. Bitcoins can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network directly, without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin was invented by an unknown person or group of people, using the name Satoshi Nakamoto and released as open-source software in 2009. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. Research produced by the University of Cambridge estimates that in 2017, there were 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using a cryptocurrency wallet, most of them using Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions, its high electricity consumption, price volatility, thefts from exchanges, and the possibility that Bitcoin is an economic bubble. Bitcoin has also been used as an investment, although several regulatory agencies have issued investor alerts about Bitcoin. Creation of Bitcoin. August 2018 marks 10 years since the Bitcoin.org domain was registered. Bitcoin.org was originally registered and owned by Bitcoin's first two developers, Satoshi Nakamoto and Marty Malmi. When Satoshi left the project, he gave ownership of the domain to additional people, separate from the Bitcoin developers, to spread responsibility and prevent any one person or group from easily gaining control over the Bitcoin project. Bitcoin.org's code is open source. Final publication authority is held by the co-owners, but all regular activity is organized through the public pull request process and managed by the site maintainer. To date on GitHub, there have been over 4,400 commits from 245 contributors from all over the world. In addition to this, over 1,000 translators have helped to make the site display natively to visitors by default in their own languages, now 27 different languages and growing. In November 2008, a link to a paper authored by Satoshi Nakamoto titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was posted to a cryptography mailing list. Nakamoto implemented the Bitcoin software as open source code and released it in January 2009. The identity of Nakamoto remains unknown. In January 2009, the Bitcoin network was created when Nakamoto mined the first block of the chain, known as the Genesis block. Nakamoto is estimated to have mined 1 million bitcoins before disappearing in 2010, when he handed the network alert key and control of the code repository over to Gavin Andresen. Andresen later became lead developer at the Bitcoin Foundation. Andresen then sought to decentralize control. This left opportunity for controversy to develop over the future development path of Bitcoin. After early proof-of-concept transactions, the first major users of Bitcoin were black markets. Nowadays things are getting changed. People started showing their interest on digital currency.